It is the working of the word that makes the word effectual. Pag wala yung word sa Ginoo, wala yung dito. Wala yung may pakita. No? Importante yung word sa Ginoo because God abides the faithful. Only the faithful. Hindi sa rin na ngayon na, Ginoo, maayo. Kapag na, faithful mo ka. Because only the faithful, God is faithful. So, ang word sa Ginoo, hindi na siya pwedeng mausap. He is faithful, yes, He is a loving God to those who are faithful. He cannot deny Himself. If there is wrong along the line, nahiwi pa yung pinamulit, naabay sayo, naabay mula, naabay grabe, then ang wrong din sa then, it must be command. So we must keep checking sa panginoon. Because the life flowing with milk and honey is for those only who are willing to obey.